everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how to make your Facebook account to private. So first thing you're going to need to do is go to your profile and then go to settings. From here, scroll down until you find the audience and visibility. And then under that, you can see the locking profile. So you just have to lock your profile. And in this case, only friends will see the photos and everything you post on Facebook. And after that, just go back, and from here you can tap on how people find and contact you. So here you can set this one to friends of friends, and then this for only me, and as you can see it's no one, no one. And in here you can manage how people can message you, so just update the settings. Don't receive requests. So in this case, people won't be able to request or message request you, or they can't also add you on Facebook. And that's it. That's how you make your Facebook account to private. And I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.